179 lang ang cash out mo in less than 3 months. Kaya mo nang malipatan nitong brand new, complete finish, premium house and lot na malapit sa Evia, Alabang, accessible to Taguig, Makati at airport. Yan ba ang hanap mo? Then continue watching this house tour video dahil sure ako ito na ang sign mo magkaroon ng bahay bago matapos ang year 2025. Hi, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabito for another Kathleen Place 5 home tour. Don't miss this offer kasi 6 units left na lang tayo para sa mga low cash out move-in ready units natin here sa Kathleen Place 5. At tama, complete finish na to, kasama na rin ang fence and gate at mga cabinet sa kwarto at sa kitchen para sa turnover natin. Hassle-free talaga kasi kasama na rin ang Meralco Water, may free ka pa na 1-year HOA at RPP. Promo is available through bank financing only and our estimated monthly amortization ranges from 37,000 to 39,000 a month lang. Nasa prime location ka na with exclusive community at complete amenities. Itong house tour video natin, ito na rin mismo ang actual turnover kung corner lot ang makukuha mo. Simple yet modern ang design ng unit natin. So paano? See you sa tripping natin. Kung nagustuhan mo tong house tour na to, follow us for more house tour video like link in our bio or contact us in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon at paalam!